Hey guys, today is day 5 of the decluttering challenge, and as you can see behind me, I have a lot of work to do. This is the kitchen, so I'm going to be doing kitchen, and so day 5 is kitchen. But if you are like me and you've just had an explosion happen in some other room, you need to do it in some other room, do what you need to do. But officially it's the kitchen, and the last night Daniel, who is one of my sons, just insisted on making churros. Did I know how to make churros? No. Did he know how to make churros? No. But he found a recipe online and he was all excited about it, and it was a mess. They didn't turn out that great. They turned out okay, but it made a huge mess in my kitchen. I did clean it mostly up last night, but I got a lot of decluttering to do in here today because I spent a lot of my time last night trying to make churros. Now my whole house smells like grease. Anyway, so decluttering in the kitchen. If you don't have countertops that look like this, pick a drawer in the kitchen. My countertops look like this, so I doubt I'll be getting to any drawers, because the stuff on top that you see is the stuff that bothers you the most. Then comes the drawers that you can't shut, or the cabinets that avalanche on your head. Some of y'all are like, April, what kind of house are you living in? I'm living in a 6 people stuffed into a small house, okay? All right, so anyway, decluttering, kitchen. I don't know, 10 minutes or 15. I'm thinking I could easily do this in 10. I've already done a little bit this morning, just like walking by and picking things up. But, and I'm gonna bake cookies in here when I'm done, so this is like perfect timing. All right, so let's say 10. Decluttering, kitchen, 10 minutes, go. Ta-da! See how much better it looks? 10 minutes is amazing. Now I still have my computer and recipe book because I'm fixing to make a recipe while listening to Fly Lady on my computer. Anyway, so hey, it's a great month to focus on decluttering. I have gotten behind again, and it's just really nice to have this daily challenge to remind myself to do these things that I don't want to do. All right, well, I hope you guys have a great day, a great weekend, and catch you tomorrow.